Alright, so this week, just like every other, you're going to have an assignment from the They Say, I Say book. It's going to be due Sunday at midnight. And for this assignment, you guys are going to read pages 30 to 41, and then you're going to have a writing task. So for this writing task, we're going to focus on the marijuana debate. And if you don't know much about the marijuana debate, there are some resources that I linked here. You are totally able to look up your own resources as well. I am not grading you on how good your arguments are. However, in your paragraph 1, you're going to write a summary of one side of the debate. So usually in debates, there's a pro and con side. And so you'll see that here, marijuana.procon.org. So your first paragraph, you're going to write a summary of why people are on the pro side. And your second paragraph, you're going to write a summary about why people are on the opposite side or the con side. And so here's the tricky part though, is that you are supposed to be writing an unbiased summary about them, or an objective summary. So letter C there at the bottom says, if you've succeeded, readers won't be able to tell which position you actually subscribe to. So when I go through and grade these, I should not be able to tell which side you're on. It should just be an objective summary of both sides. So keep that in mind, because that is what I'm looking for when I grade these. You'll write your paragraphs here. They don't need to be in a fancy essay. Just go ahead and fill them in here.